As a mold builder, you really need to have self-sustainability, having all the equipment internally so you can control process, you can control price to some degree. I called a friend, asked him who we buy machinery from, Dan Meehan from Performance Machine. We were able to meet with Carlos from Chetto. After looking at the machine and totally grasping its capabilities and what impact that machine could have on our process of mold building, we took the chance. The Fager control was new to us, and Carlos assured me it was the right match for what the machine was designed to do. It was designed to do with the Fager control.
We see Chetto as a game changer for us in our business. The technology they have is unique in the gun building industry.
The experience that I have now with Chetto, with Fager, I would recommend to anyone. The training and the support that we got from Fager and Chetto, and the result that we're getting with not just the machine, but the operator's ability to utilize the machine to the performance level that it was intended, has sold me. I would absolutely recommend that.
Chetto and Fager is, I will say, a happy marriage, because we start to work with Fager exactly since the beginning. We are, I will say, a technological partners. We develop a lot of softwares, a lot of new solutions, a lot of customization on the control, and we are very happy with the Fager team. The support is perfect, the service is amazing, and the people, they are always ready to help and ready to listen. That is very important for us.
The first machine, the salesman sells me. The second one, the machine sells me.